Fast-growing plants for quick results. For beginners or anyone who longs for quick greenery, fast-growing plants bring instant joy. They show results within weeks, rewarding your care with fresh leaves, flowers, or even vegetables. Spinach, lettuce, and radishes are some of the quickest crops, ready to harvest in a short time, making them ideal for new gardeners. Sunflowers are another favorite, shooting up rapidly and brightening the garden with their golden blooms. Marigolds grow quickly too, filling spaces with cheerful colors and acting as natural pest repellents. Herbs like mint and coriander spread fast, offering fresh flavor almost immediately. Even climbing beans can surprise you with rapid growth, covering trellises in a short season. These plants not only satisfy the desire for quick results but also teach patience gently, as their growth can be observed day by day. For children or new gardeners, they bring excitement and encouragement, proving that gardening is rewarding even in the beginning. A mix of fast-growing vegetables, flowers, and herbs can turn empty soil or bare pots into lively corners in just weeks. They are a reminder that nature responds generously when given even a little care, filling life with greenery and abundance faster than you might expect.